Why Monday installations protect your investment better than Friday starts. Most homeowners don't realize that the day of the week their roof replacement starts can cost them hundreds of extra dollars and add days of unnecessary stress to their project. I'm going to share something most roofers won't tell you up front. Why starting your roof on a Friday might be one of the costliest scheduling mistakes you can make. Here's what you need to know. Most residential roofs are completed in a single day. That's the goal. But in our industry, we plan for the unexpected: weather, material issues, and structural surprises. And that's where the day of the week becomes critical. I've been doing this for decades, and I've seen too many homeowners deal with avoidable stress. Dumpsters sitting in their driveway through the weekend, roofers scrambling to find materials on a Saturday afternoon, or your kid's birthday party interrupted by roofing noise, all because no one explained how the scheduling strategy works. By the end of this video, you'll understand the hidden logistics behind roof installation scheduling, and you'll know exactly what day to request when you're ready to move forward with your project. This is the kind of insider knowledge that protects your investment and keeps your project on track. The weekend rollover risk. Why starting on Friday means you're one rainstorm away from a weekend project. Most roofs are done in one day. However, weather delays and unforeseen occurrences can cause a job to run into a second day. If the job starts on a Friday, then that job will run into the weekend if there are delays. Think of it like planning a road trip. If you leave Friday afternoon and your car breaks down, you're not traveling through the weekend. Same principle applies here. If we start your roof on Friday morning and get delayed by a passing storm or discover excessive rotted decking that needs to be replaced, that job doesn't pause for the weekend. It typically rolls right into Saturday. You probably didn't plan for a weekend project. Your family didn't plan for it. But now you're managing noise, debris, and disruption during the time you'd normally be home relaxing or hosting family. Most roofs finish in one day, but if yours doesn't and the work got started on Friday, your installation may have just turned into a weekend nightmare. Here's the difference. When you're scheduling a Monday start, you have a 4-day buffer before the weekend. If weather or structural issues add a day, you're finishing on Tuesday or Wednesday, still within the work week, still on your original timeline, and your weekend stays yours. This is important because most people agree that it's better to get the roof replaced when there are fewer people at the house. Starting early in the week makes that possible without gambling on whether everything goes perfectly. The dumpster dilemma. What happens when your roof finishes on Saturday and the dumpster company doesn't work on Sundays? Let me explain what this looks like. You've got a 20-yard dumpster, which is larger than a full-sized SUV parked in your driveway. It's filled with several tons of old shingles, underlayment, and debris. The job wraps up on Saturday afternoon. Great news, right? Except now that dumpster is blocking your driveway, your parking, and your curb appeal for the entire weekend. Getting dumpsters picked up on a Sunday, if a job is finished on a Saturday, is usually not possible, and we'll have to wait until Monday. Most dumpster companies don't run pickups on Sunday. Some don't even pick up on Saturday. And if you need your driveway for family coming over, or if you've got an event planned, you're now rearranging your life around waste removal. When you start on Monday and finish on Monday or Tuesday, dumpster pickup happens within the normal business cycle. No weekend delays, no logistical headaches. It's a small detail that saves you real money and real frustration. The supply chain gap. What happens when you need an extra bundle of shingles on a Saturday afternoon? Many suppliers are closed on Sundays and usually close early on Saturday, if they are even open at all, making it difficult to get additional materials if needed. Think of it like this. Roofing suppliers operate like most wholesale businesses. They're open Monday through Friday, sometimes half-day Saturday, and almost never on Sunday. Now, here's where this becomes critical. During a roof replacement, we occasionally discover that we need additional materials. Maybe there was more waste than expected due to the complex roof geometry. Maybe we found underlying damage that requires extra underlayment or deck repairs. These aren't things we can always predict with 100% accuracy during the estimate. Your roofer just discovered you need more materials. It's 2 p.m. on Saturday, and your supplier closed. This is why Monday starts protect you from avoidable delays. If that discovery happens on a Friday afternoon or Saturday, and the supplier is closed or about to close, we're stuck. We can't finish your roof properly without those materials. That means the project pauses, potentially leaving your roof vulnerable until Monday morning when suppliers reopen. This delay isn't anyone's fault, but it's completely avoidable with smart scheduling. When we start earlier in the week, we have full access to suppliers Monday through Friday. If we need anything, fasteners, flashing, extra shingles, specialty materials, we can get it same day or next day without risking weekend closure. That keeps your project moving and your home protected. This is about risk management. Starting Monday gives us the full supply chain support we need to handle any surprises without adding days to your timeline or leaving your home exposed. The family disruption factor. Here's the one homeowners don't think about until it's too late. Who's home during the installation? Most of the time, it is more common for family members to be home on weekends as opposed to during the week. Let me paint you a picture. It's Saturday morning. Your kids are home. Maybe you've got a family gathering planned, or you're trying to enjoy a quiet weekend after a long and busy week. And instead, there's a crew on your roof at 7 a.m., pounding, scraping, and hauling debris. The noise is constant. You can't have a normal conversation. Your pets are stressed. Your kids can't play outside safely because of falling materials and equipment. This isn't hypothetical. This is what weekend roofing looks like. Roofing is loud, really loud. And if your kids are home, or you're trying to work from home, or you've got weekend plans starting Friday, you may be living through this chaos when you least want to. Now picture this. Monday morning, 8 a.m., you've left for work. The kids are at school. The house is empty. Our crew arrives, sets up, and gets to work. By the time you come home Monday evening, the bulk of the noisy work is done. You didn't have to manage the disruption. Your family didn't have to adjust their routine. You get to come home to a nearly finished or fully finished roof without living through the installation chaos. This is about protecting your peace of mind and your family's comfort. Most people agree that it's better to get the roof replaced when there are fewer people at the house. Starting Monday makes that possible. You get a smooth project completion without sacrificing your family time or weekend plans. You are in the driver's seat. Here's what most roofers won't tell you up front. Friday starts are often offered because it's convenient for the contractor's schedule, not because it's optimal for your project. A reputable contractor, one who's thinking about your long-term satisfaction, not just filling their calendar, will recommend a Monday start and explain exactly why. I've been doing this long enough to know that the homeowners who have the smoothest projects, the fewest surprises, and the best overall experience are the ones who start earlier in the week. It gives us flexibility, it gives you protection, and it keeps your investment on track. This means that the day of the week isn't just a scheduling detail, it's a strategic decision that impacts cost, timeline, and stress. And the best part, it's completely within your control. You just need to know how to ask for it. When you're ready to move forward with a roof replacement, don't just accept the first available date. Ask your contractor.
Can we start on a Monday?
If they push back or can't explain why Friday is better, that's a red flag. A professional contractor will understand this strategy and respect that you're making an informed decision. Now, if you're watching this and thinking,
okay, I get it. Monday makes sense. But how do I actually find a contractor who thinks this way and prioritizes my project success over their schedule convenience?
that's exactly the kind of question I help homeowners answer every single day. If you're in New Jersey and you're looking for a roofing contractor who will walk you through every decision like this, from scheduling strategy to material selection to long-term maintenance, feel free to reach out. I offer free roof inspections and consultations where we'll assess your roof's condition, discuss your timeline, and make sure you have all the information you need to move forward with confidence. No pressure, just professional guidance. I'll put a link in the description below. So let's recap what we've covered today. Starting your roof replacement on a Monday instead of a Friday protects you from weekend rollover risks, avoids dumpster rental headaches, keeps you connected to the full supplier network, and minimizes family disruption. It's a simple scheduling strategy that most homeowners never think to ask about, but now you know. Monday installations give you fewer problems, but there's one hidden mistake that causes more roof replacement disasters than bad shingles ever could. It's not the contractor, it's not the materials, it's communication. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to avoid it.